everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today for What You Making Monday, I'm going to be making salmon sushi bowls. I've actually made this before, but I wanted to do it again with a slight twist in that I'm going to be drizzling it with Mike's Hot Honey. I don't know if you've seen this going around. I was on Pinterest looking for some salmon recipes, and one of the choices on there was for Mike's Hot Honey Salmon. So I thought that would be delicious. And then I could also add in some sushi rice, cucumber, carrots, along with the salmon, and put it all together for a salmon sushi bowl. So I am going to prep the sushi rice since it has to sit for a little bit, and get the vegetables prepped before I put everything together in the bowl. Okay, so I have the salmon out and ready to go. I'm just gonna kind of make up a little concoction here, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, my favorite garlic, just that. A little bit of lemon juice. And then I have some oregano. Not measuring, but add what you like. I have thyme and some parsley. Give that a stir. I'm just gonna kind of put it over the salmon here. That's pretty good. And then I'm going to drizzle on the Mike's Hot Honey. I will put some more on once it is cooked. Okay. And then I'm going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes or so. And then I might put it in the broiler for a little bit just to kind of crisp it up. Okay, it's taste test time. It looks delicious. Using up some vegetables that were gonna go bad soon. This could easily be made into a lunch. You just would have to prep some of the things ahead of time, but super easy to make. And I'm going to give it a try. One bite of just the salmon here. You can definitely taste the kick in the Mike's hot honey. It's delicious. I added some yum yum sauce on it as well. You could add avocado. I didn't have any. And you could also use the nori seaweed sheets, and then you could just use that to kind of pick up and make your own little sushi thing, if you will. I know there's a technical name for it, but I can't think of it right now. But a super easy and delicious recipe that you can make at home. You don't necessarily have to do the sushi rice. You could do quinoa, you do couscous. So there's a number of things that you'd use, but we all like salmon, so I thought this would be a delicious way to get some fish, use up the veggies that I need to use up, and make sushi rice because I love sushi rice. But thank you for watching, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you know when new videos are coming up. I just recently reached 100 subscribers. That's super exciting, and I really enjoyed making these videos, sharing recipes, and making meal times a little bit easier when you have some ideas, because that's part of the reason why I created this channel, is to share recipes, because for a while I was going through the same recipes all the time and it was getting kind of boring. So this way I can try new recipes, share them with you, and then I hope that you can replicate them and use them in your own cooking at your house. But comment below and let me know what you're having for dinner tonight, and maybe it will be featured on a future video. I'll see you next time.